Hello everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and we're back today with another video. Happy to have you joining me. Thank you so much for subscribing if you're a new subscriber, and welcome. Also, to those of you who haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe and notification bell so you can be informed each and every time we have a new video. It's been a while since we've posted a video because we've had some home renovations going on, and we still do, and it's kind of taken me away from painting, but I haven't forgotten about you, and I'm happy to be back and hope that you are going to continue painting and painting with me. Join me on my Facebook group, Anita White Art, so I can share in your amazing art creations as well. All right, with that being said, we're going to do a Dutch pour today, something simple and elegant, minimal colors, and also using the Mars Black by Blickrylic, which is the base color you see now. We're going to take our torch, just pop air bubbles. As we can see, any air bubbles that are surfacing, sometimes they're stubborn and can't get them all. But we want to have a flawless foundation to begin with. We have the beautiful Bordeaux Red by Arteza, Quinacridone Magenta by Liquitex Basics, Liquitex Basics Silver Argent, Master's Touch Pearlized White. It is the only one without water. The others are 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. Water is added to get to the desired consistency. If you need additional assistance with your Dutch pour, check out my video number 28 and number 52. Also, let's see, we're going to be doing a Dutch pour here for all of our acrylic pouring lovers. Since February is the month of love, we want to share in our love for acrylic pouring. I hope you do too. So let's get started with a simple but elegant design. All right, let's try that out with the Bordeaux Red. Okay. Right. I'll come back down with the Bordeaux Red this way and over. Next we have our beautiful, well, let's see, we'll switch it up a little bit. How about we do the Silver Argent on our Bordeaux Red. And all of the colors, as usual, are listed in the description box below the video. Now we'll add the Quinacridone Magenta. Giving a good squeeze on that. And then we have the Pearlized White. No water added. All right, and we've got plenty of nice, beautiful color. Let's torch. Let's start on low and see where it takes us with this Dutch pour to get to something simple and elegant. had a little dry area, not as much paint in that area there, and it was kind of hard to blow. That's why we got a little jagged effect there, which we can work to correct. I do like the top here. This portion I want to probably revisit in some respects. We'll take some of the base paint first and just take it around in a drizzle. And a little bit through there. I also want to come on this side, since I'm going to redo this part. Just want to have something that I'm enjoying and I can say I like. Even with the simplest of Dutch pours, sometimes you have to make corrections, and that's perfectly fine. Rather than scrape all of it, we're just going to work around it because we've got some workable parts. I'm going to see here, get started here with the same colors, same order. Ooh, that came out fast. Silver Argent and white. Just went back around with the Bordeaux red. Now I want to also take my spoon here and move over this area. All right, that should be okay. Okay, let's see what we can do with this one. Again on low. This now, and I need to work on that. So to do this, I'm going to move it, just twist it around, and we can see what we did here and here. I just want to try to maybe replicate that a little bit more, not scraping it, just taking this part off. That in my overflow cup. When you haven't practiced in a while, sometimes you do have to come back and get back in the groove, and that's probably why we are having to revisit this one, which is not a problem, just a lot of fun. And I want to see, I like how this went out. I want to see if I can do that here and bring it back out a little bit more. So I'm going to take some of this out. Let's just take all this part out anyway. And an overflow cup. Save that paint. You can use it for a lot of different things, but mainly to mix with other colors and bring about a nice base paint color. And we will take this and push it over here. Okay, so we're not wasting. All right, so I like that part, but not as much as I like the part we just did. So it means trying to go back and working to fix that. What could be a little quick 10-15 minute video sometimes turns out to be longer when you have to make adjustments. All right, but that's okay. It's all in the fun. All right. Thank you for hanging in there with me for the fun. All right. Okay, torching. And with that being said, I'm going to take this down with the colors that we did. See if I can make it move one more time. Yeah, I'm going to take these colors down from here to here. Let's see if we can't get a similar effect with the colors we have on top. Wrap back around this beautiful Bordeaux red. Now, somehow you may need to have a little bit of base paint, which we don't mind giving this a push on both sides. All right, somehow we can torch this and blow it so that we have a push in and a push out. All right, see what happens. Flying high. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. We've got the fade in colors here, a little fade here, here, little tap there, a little there. Some beautiful negative space inside and outside, here and near and near. A little bit here and over here, obviously. Super pretty. I love it. I love it. It's got the full flow with a little bit of a twist to it, a bend, and it comes back around. And our sides are nicely covered. I like to blow down the sides to get the paint to flow evenly off the canvas. And I'm just tapping out the sides so that these little drips can smooth out. don't have to do that. That's just a personal preference. But that's a Dutch pour that we have made possible using 4 colors and a base color. And I am very pleased. Making those adjustments sometimes really does pay off. It takes time. Sometimes it just takes a little practice, especially if you've been out of the game for a while, and I haven't been painting. So this is a nice refresher and how to do a simple and elegant Dutch pour. All right, it's close-up time and ready to bring you in so you can see close-up. Let's do it. Here we are, everyone, with the 10 by 20 inch Dutch pour, which we've done using the Mars Black base, and we've got a twist with the flare with shimmer shiny colors. That's the beautiful pearlized white mixed with the Argent silver there, bringing about a beautiful shimmer and shine. There's some gorgeous cells. Over here, you can see the shimmer and shine comes into lacing. It gives us that fade out effect here that I so love. It gives us like a shadow. And then we're coming in to the center here. We're so spectacular. Look at that twist. Look at that opening there. Just really sets it off as a center focal point for this piece. Then it branches out again with the Dutch pour, fading into the black, shimmer and shine, and the splash effect, cells, all that beautiful Bordeaux red and Quinacridone magenta blending so lovely together and being highlighted by the pearlized white. You can see here, at a glance, that's what we have. Let's turn to the side here so you can see our colors come down the side. Have to blow those off the edge, nice and smooth. Okay. And here we have a little bit on that edge. And we're keeping the front side smooth as well. So we have a 10 by 20 inch Dutch pour with a twist and a bit of flair. Let me know what you think in the comments. So happy to be back, and thank you so much for your patience and support. We're working on keeping things moving. We are under our home renovations, and so it will take us a little time to get back into things, hopefully sooner than later. Until next time, keep loving your art, and please join me on my Facebook group, Anita White Art. See you there. Bye now.